Here's your slingshot.
Let's go find it. Go.
Very nice.
Check it out. So I got 10 of them. And I have iron pellets. So
Hey,
that they'll rust.
Did you see that video that Raj
Shut
put
up,
up?
all right.
The guy with
Man,
the
caused you
rubber
sepsis.
rubber
So it
band.
doesn't kill you quick.
No, I didn't see that one.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Run!
That guy gotta take off.
No lunch?
No lunch.
Thanks for your help, bud.
Thank you.
Wow, that's a good shot
Shoot
to
a
it
rock?
too. Yeah.
Cool. I haven't shot a rock yet.
Man, it's got a hell of a kick to it.
I
I didn't even pull it as hard as I could.
I'm thinking this is going to be fun.
Oh yeah.
We'll put up, we'll put up some
Watch
targets
that
on a hay bale.
Man,
Oh, hell yeah.
you know what I mean?
Quick, run! That sucker made it all the way over to
I see him one of the Wednesday practices.
You don't even
Here.
have to pull it
No,
down
man.
hard, man.
Holy crap.
Mine got a spin to it, so it had a nice curve.
Nice. No! Don't use a big ass pot.
Oh,
Kill somebody.
I'm going that way.
Hold on, let me get behind you.
Yeah, exactly.
With my luck, it'll throw a big curve right in the mouth.
ping! It'll be one of
It's
those.
got to go.
Nice.
See this roof?
Yeah, should have been on the roof.
Nah, it was low.
I
Or the
Let's go
trees.
get something. Where is it?
Goes in my back pocket.
Oh, your back.